Hello, I'm Alex Toll with rooferscoffeeshop.com, and I am here with my good friend John Kenney. How are you doing, John?
Doing great. It's always good to be here with you. Thank you.
Of course. I want to talk to you about your training you're doing in January. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so we have I'm having an advanced estimating workshop. So let me do a little background. So if you've taken any of my live courses that I do with manufacturers, then this next step is for you. If you've taken any of my online courses, this is a great next step. And if you have a little bit of experience and you want to really further it, this is good. What happens is you take the tools that you've learned and then we get to really put them into action. And I work with you for 2 solid days in this group where we get to expand upon your knowledge and we do hands-on work. So you're going to come out of there with the confidence to really know how to estimate.
Amazing. What a great resource for your company to be able to send your employees to do the hands-on in 2 days. I mean, you can learn a lot in 2 days. Because how long are they? A full 8 hours, like all day?
Well, almost. There's enough that they're very tired when we're done at the end of the day. We try to start the class right at 8:30, and
Okay.
we finish between 4 and 4:30, depending on how well the class is ready to go on, or tired, or how we end for the day. We have our breakfast stuff there. We have the coffee and the drinks, and I supply the lunch. So
Amazing.
we get you there. You just have to get your hotel room and your travel. We've had people that come from all over the country, so it's a great place to come January in Florida.
Yeah, and continuing education is so important. Do you want to touch a little bit more on why these contractors should be continuing to invest in education?
Yeah, because what happens is when you're working at your job, you're doing your job. There's no time to learn, and that's where companies have been investing in their employees, and a lot of individual estimators have also been investing in themselves and coming because this is a chance where you don't have to worry about anything else for 2 days except sharpening the axe, right? Sharpening your tools in your tool belt, and actually we practice them. We're not just sitting there and learning off of a PowerPoint. That's what we do in some of the other classes. This is a little bit of PowerPoint instruction to get everybody at the same page, and then it's actually hands-on exercises and real life working on jobs that we put our bids together on.
Amazing. It sounds like an experience that you don't want to miss. And if you're an R Club member, you do get a little special discount. So reach out to me if you want to get signed up. Again, the dates on that, John?
It is January 28th and 29th, which is a Tuesday and a Wednesday, and it's going to be right in Lakeland, Florida. It'll be 123 Main Street, but you can get that. Reach out for the information. The nice thing is, it's not, you can come right into Tampa Airport, and it's an easy haul over, and there's probably 10, 15 hotels to choose from.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much, John.
Thank you.